What's up, guys? It's Nikki, and I'm here to fill you in with what went down during the Chan finals at Kasarani Stadium, of course. Artists were set to perform. That is Zuchu from Tanzania, the only female, of course, and Savara from Kenya. Alafu we had Eddie Kenzo from Uganda. Now the performance was well until Zuchu kuingia stage, because tell me why Kenyans started singing the national anthem wakati Zuchu ana perform. Zuchu is literally asking, who the is Amanda? And then Kenyans, Mungu nguvu yetu. What's not happening? I don't know if I should say Kenyans never disappoint or Kenyans disappointed on this one, because why would you do that to a superstar? Because that's a superstar, of course. So Wakenya, okay, there's a beef between Kenyans and Tanzanians, but going at Zuchu like that, why? No, that was not, it didn't sit well with me, because looking into the views, Zuchu has more than 93.3 million views in YouTube from Kenya compared to her own home country Tanzania, mahali views zake za YouTube ni only 41.3. And then now here comes the question, why should you support her kwa YouTube alafu kwa ground you're like, you even booed, mlimbu kwa stage akiperform na vile tu tunajua. Mimi najua energy yake inakuanga too top, but Kenyans decided like, yo, hatujapendana, bado tuko na beef. So they started singing the national anthem when she was performing. Anyway, I don't know what to say about this. You tell me what you think in the comment section. Was it a great move? Considering hadi president wa FIFA alikuwa hapo, like, yo, you didn't do good to this lady. What did she do? Alifanya nini? I deserve that kind of treatment. Anyways, that is all for today. It's been Nikki, and make sure you follow GTN, because here we give you the tea that you're longing for. Till next time, bye-bye.